Every day fourth education. This is the third consecutive of fourth one. Okay, right. Tell me what is that? The value of
expression
हाँ
1 minus sin square
1 minus हाँ वैसे 1 minus sin square by
1 minus
हाँ 1 minus
sin square y by
sin square by
1 plus cos y
1 plus cos y
plus
plus
1 plus cos y by
1 plus cos y by
sin y
sin y very good
minus
minus
sin y by
sin y by
1 minus cos y
1 minus cos square
cos y square
1 minus cos. Now this is trigonometric identity sin square y plus cos square y ఏ వాటితో సరిపోతుంది అనుకుంటున్నాను నేను వాడేగానే కొన్ని టర్మ్స్ కి యూజ్ ఫర్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ ఓన్లీ ఎందుకంటే ఇఫ్ యు అప్లై ద సేమ్ దట్ విల్ అగైన్ చేంజ్ I write sin square y as 1 minus cos square y 1 minus cos square y by 1 plus cos y plus I multiply and divide with sin y. Why? Because both are first degree. If anyone is second degree, then we can write 1 minus cos square y or 1 minus sin square y. You can multiply with sin y and cos y or 1 minus cos y to multiply and divide with 1 minus cos y. Anything you can do. Multiply with the sin y and numerator and denominator or 1 minus cos y also. If you write 1 minus cos y, numerator becomes 1 minus cos square becomes sin square y. So anything. Last term as is, don't change. Sin y by 1 minus cos y. 1 minus sin square y is 1 minus cos square y you can write. Sin square is 1 minus cos square. This is 1 minus. So numerator is in the form of a square minus b square. So denominator a plus b cancel becomes 1 minus cos y. Any doubt here? Plus denominator is 1 minus cos square y. 1 minus cos square y. In the numerator 1 plus cos y is there. That will be cancelled by 1 minus cos y times. Any doubts, sir? Shall I write one more step? So this is 1 minus cos square y. 1 plus cos y can be cancelled here. 1 minus cos y times. This is 1 minus cos square y. Sin square y is 1 minus cos square y. 1 plus cos y will be cancelled here by 1 minus cos y times. Any doubt, sir? Any doubt? Yes. Tell me. Last time answer is sin y by 1 minus cos y. Why? Because both are same with opposite side. They are cancelled. 1 minus cancel minus or minus plus cos. Make it possible. Finish that. Next. Sin theta plus cos theta equal to m. Problem చేసాం క్లాస్ లో. Sin theta plus cos theta equal to m. Secant theta plus cos theta equal to m. Last class elimination of theta problem. n into m square minus 1 equal to చేసామా? This we completed. Right. All right. One more next. If sin a comma cos a comma tan a are in GP geometry progression sin A comma cos A comma tan A and GP. Then what is the value of cos cube A plus cos square A? That is the question. See here, when three values if A, B, C are in GP, then what is the continuous geometry progression? Second time by first equal to third time by second. Huh? Or that is B square equal to AC. Is it not? Second square of the second value equal to product of the extremes. Gurtundandi. You remember the property of the GP? Right. I apply the same. Given sin A, cos A, tan A are in GP, therefore cos square A equal to sin A into tan A. Shall I write like this? Square of the middle value equal to product of the extremes. Equal to sin A as is tan A like sin A by cos A. So denominator cos A take to left hand side becomes cos cube A equal to sin square A. Sin square I write 1 minus cos square A. Any doubt, sir? Right side sin square A I write 1 minus cos square A. Denominator cos A take left hand side becomes cos cube. Right side sin square becomes 1 minus cos square A. So minus cos square A also take left hand side cos cube A plus cos square A equal to 1. That is what we need. Then I am getting the question. See that? Okay. The value of find the value of A. It is in the form of A cube plus B cube, and the second term in the form of A square plus B square. When you take A equal to sin square, B equal to cos square. Also I will rewrite this as A equal to sin cos square theta, B equal to sin square theta into A. It is in the form of A cube plus B cube. A cube plus B cube can be written as A plus B into A square plus B square minus AB. Is it not? Algebra property. So I will rewrite this as 2 into, what is A plus B? What is A plus B? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. 1 into cos square whole square, cos power 4 theta, b square sin power 4 theta, minus ab minus cos square theta sin square theta, minus second time third term as is 3 into cos power 4 theta plus sin power 4 theta plus 1 as this average. Why? Because see, any doubt in the first step first. a cube plus b cube form. A cube plus b cube can be expressed as a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. So 2 times of cos power 4 plus sin power 4 minus 3 times of cos power 4 plus sin power 4 becomes minus 1 time of cos power 4 theta plus sin power 4 theta minus 2 into cos square theta sin square theta. So I multiply 2 times minus 2 times minus 3 times plus 1 as this. Any doubts, sir? So take minus common among all. If I take minus common, cos square whole square plus sin square whole square plus 2 into cos square into sin square, a square plus b square plus 3ab. A square plus b square plus 3ab form. That is cos square theta plus sin square theta whole square plus 1. So this is minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0 fast. Okay. Algebra. Some people may can write a plus b whole cube minus 3ab also. That is another way. Maybe that is short form. A plus b whole cube ante 1 cube. 1 cube minus 3ab. That is another. Double this algebra problem. See the next. Note. If a plus b equal to 180 degrees, a plus b equal to 180 degrees, then b equal to, then cos b. Cos b is cos 180 minus a. Cos 180 minus a. Cos 180 minus a is see, this is even multiple of 90. So cos becomes cos only. Okay, cos a. But 180 minus a belongs to second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is so minus. So take left hand side. Cos a plus cos b equal to 0. If a plus b equal to 0, then you write in a single line cos a plus cos b equal to 0. No need of writing this proof. If a minus b equal to 180 degrees, then sin a plus sin b equal to 0. See that? If a minus b equal to 180, then a equal to 180 plus b. Third quadrant. 180 plus b is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, sin is negative. Take the right side, a equal to 180 plus b. Sin a equal to sin 180 plus b. 180 plus b becomes minus sin b. Minus sin b. Minus sin b left side. Take to left hand side, then sin a plus sin b equal to 0. So we can write sin a plus sin b. Sin a plus sin b or cos a plus cos b also can be write 0. See that? If a minus b equal to 180, can we conclude cos a plus cos b? Cos a equal to cos 180 plus b. Third quadrant cos also negative. Minus cos b. So cos a plus cos b also cos A plus cos B also 0. Can you get the second point now? The property, we apply application of this property into application of this property. Write down question. Find the value of cos 1 degree into cos 2 degree into cos 3 degree into and so on cos 179 degrees. What is the value of cos 1 degree into cos 2 degree into and so on cos 179 degrees? We don't know all the values. We know only cos 30 degrees, cos 60 degrees and cos 45. Can anybody know? Sir. How many factors there? How many factors there? మాట్లాడండి సార్ మాట్లాడతారా మీరు మాస్ కట్టుకుందా నాకు అలవాట్లేదా చెప్పండి సో cos 1 is there 179 factors among which cos 90 degrees one of the factor. Is it not? What is cos 90? Tomorrow you all of you write all trigonometric ratios of 0, 90, 45, 30, 60, 100 times. But nobody are answering, nobody are responding. So cos 90 is one of the factor. That value is 0. 0 into anything equal to
0.
So that we write. So one of among is cos 90, which is 0, therefore product equal to 0. That's it, right? Same thing, so sum is there. If cos 1 degree plus cos 2 degree plus cos 3 degree plus and so on plus cos 179 degrees. 0. Product is 0. Sum also 0. Very good. Yes. Sum also 0. ఎందుకంటే సార్ how it is there రాసనుకున్నాం. If a plus b equal to 180, then cos a plus cos b equal to 0. So I'll pair cos 1 degree plus cos 179 degrees plus cos 2 degrees plus cos 178 degrees plus and so on cos 89 degrees plus cos 89 degrees plus cos 91 degrees plus cos 90. I am pairing two terms, that is whose sum of the angles is 180, cos A plus cos B. So each bracket equal to, since we like that property, A plus B equal to 180 implies cos A plus cos B equal to just wait. Sir, cos A plus cos B equal to 0 and equal to 0. Out here. Similarly, write one more problem. sin 10 degrees plus sin 20 degrees plus sin 30 degrees plus and so on plus sin 360 degrees. Sin 360 degrees. One, two, three का sir sin up to 360 degrees. What is the value? If any symmetry is there, the sum is zero or product is zero. Is it not? General, in general, not always. See what happened will see. Sin 10 degrees, sin 20 degrees plus sin 30 degrees plus and so on plus sin 180 degrees plus sin 190 degrees, sin 200 degrees plus sin 210 degrees plus and so on plus sin 360 degrees. See, observe what did I write? What you notice? I am writing sin 190 in the next line of sin 10. Sin 200 in the next line of sin 20. Is it not? Now, what did you notice? Difference of these two is what?
180.
180. See that, observe that. 190 minus 10 is 180. 200 minus 20 is 180. 210 minus 30 is 180. Now I will pair these two. If A minus B equal to 180, A sin A plus sin B equal to 0. Is it not? So I will write equal to sin 10 degrees plus sin 190 plus sin 20 degrees plus sin 200 plus and so on sin what about 180 before? What is angle before 180? Sin 170 degrees plus sin before this sin 350 plus sin 180 plus sin 360. Each value is 0. Finally is 0. Made out. Right, next. Cos 105 plus sin 105. Cos 105 plus sin 105. Find the value of cos 105 degrees plus sin 105 degrees. Right. అయ్యో షర్ట్లో పెట్టు ఇవాళ ఇంకెప్పుడు ఇంప్రూవ్ అయినా ఎంత వస్తుంది మన సైన్ 30 45 కి నేర్చుకోలేదు సార్ మీరు 105 కడితే ఎంత వస్తుంది ఎట్లా రాస్తాం cos 105 plus 90 plus 50 na? We don't know angle 50. We don't know. Mind that sir. Cos 180 minus 75 right sir? 180 minus 75 plus sin 180 minus 75. 15 we don't know, but we can write even also nothing. Same thing. Cos 180 minus 75 is even multiple of 90. Cos becomes cos 75. 180 minus 75 belongs to second quadrant. Both are second quadrant angles. In second quadrant, cos is negative, sin is positive. Any doubt, sir? So I write this as minus cosine of 30 plus 45 plus sin of 30 plus 45. Write the values. Equal to minus of cos A plus B. We do not have values. Is it not? And the chapter cos A cos B minus sin A sin B plus sin A plus B formula sin A sin B sin A cos B plus cos A sin B equal to minus of. Sir, every day we are having trigonometric ratios of different angles 0, 30, 90, 45. So, man నేర్చుకోవాల్సిందే టేబుల్ అర్థమైందా? నేను చెప్పాలి కాబట్టి అక్కడ నేర్చుకుని పట్టికొట్టి రోజు పట్టికొట్టి వస్తాను. ఓకే రైట్. వాట్ ఇస్ కాస్ అంటే √3/2 into cos 45 1/2 sin 30 1/2 sin 45 1/2 plus 1/2 into 1/2 plus √3/2 into 1/2. This is minus 3 √3/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 plus √3/2. These two are friends. 1/2 plus 1/2 2/2 equal to 1/2. Okay. Right from above. Sigma k equal to 1 2 3 cos square 2k minus 1 into pi by 12. We don't know pi by 12. cos pi by 12. This is cos square. Substitute k equal to 1, 2, 3. Only 3 are there, so substitute. When k equal to 1, this is pi by 12. K equal to 2, 4 minus 1. Cos square 3 pi by 12. K equal to 3, 6 minus 1. Cos square 5 pi by 12. What is cos pi by 12? Cos pi by 6 is allowed. గుర్తులేదు మర్చిపోయాను అండి. cos pi by 12 తెలియదు. cos pi by 12 తెలియదు. 3 cancel అవుతుంది. cos pi by 4. cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 whole square. This we can write. So cos square pi by 12 plus cos square pi by 12 as is as I say. Then 1 by root 2 whole square right. That's like evaluation. Earlier I gave you the property. 5 by 12 plus 5 by 12 equal to 1. And then what is the sum? 6 pi by 12. 1 plus 5 6 కదా గుర్తుంది కదా రైట్. 6 pi by 12. మీరు ఇవాళ డల్గా ఉన్నారు కదా ఏమా, ఇవాళ కాలేజీ ఉండదని డిసైడ్ అయ్యారు. బలవంతంగా వచ్చినట్టున్నారు, నాకు అర్థమవుతుంది. 1 plus 5 6 అని కూడా చెప్పట్లా, అంతే రీజన్. వేరే నథింగ్. ఇవాళ రాకూడదు. ఆస్ట్రేలియా 1 డే మ్యాచ్, చాలా 1 year తర్వాత 1 డే మ్యాచ్ ఇవాళ చూద్దామని డిసైడ్ అయ్యారు. వర్షం ఖచ్చితంగా కోఆపరేట్ చేస్తుంది, బట్ ఇంకా గెట్టేసారు బలవంతంగా. అదే అర్థం. ఈక్వల్ టు pi by 2. If a plus b equal to pi by 2, then cos square a plus cos square b equal to 1. Apply the property. So this value equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 becomes 3 by 2. Okay.